Hi, welcome to Open House Night. My name is Robert Dumas, and I teach computer science here at Oneida Ridge Middle School. Here at Oneida Ridge, we push the boundaries for excellence and come to school every day ready to level up. Each student is equipped with technology that will allow them to access their class at any time through a learning management system called Canvas. If there are any questions about projects, current grades, or where to find resources, then Canvas is a great place to start. All of the computer's courses follow a project-based approach to learning. Students will develop and practice different skills through a meaningful and real-world project. With that, students have a wide variety of choice in the projects as a way to make it meaningful to them. Throughout the year, we will also have guest speakers that specialize in certain areas. It's usually me as a character, and I dress up like a famous person, but students usually don't mind that it's not the real person. This ranges anywhere from world-renowned chef Gordon Ramsay to the supercharged DJ Marshmello. As for grades, I let students redo anything, anytime, as many times as it takes. After all, if we quit cooking the first time that we messed up a recipe or burned a dish, then most of us wouldn't know how to cook. Why should learning computer skills be any different? This helps students progress from where they're at without any penalty for messing up in the beginning, while also pushing students to get better and improve a mediocre performance. There are 3 courses in the computers classes here at Oneida Ridge. The first one is Computers 1. Students will receive a broad and introductory level experience in different programming environments. They learn how to use script using both block and text-based code. Students have the opportunity to learn through creating art and music and games and a variety of digital items in a fun and engaging atmosphere. In addition, students will learn about the physical components of computing and have an experience of completely taking apart a working computer and rebuilding it from the components. We want students to walk away from this course being good consumers of technology while understanding there are many different ways computers enhance your life no matter what hobby or industry you're in. In Computers 2, the course builds on the same skills used in Computers 1, but it has a more narrow focus. Students build websites and apps, but also learn about graphic design and other digital ways to enhance an end user's experience with a program. Students will gain experience scripting in Python, HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. But they will also develop skills using software like Photoshop for digital images and Final Cut Pro for movies. They'll use Earsketch for making music. And they typically walk away with their own website and mobile app for both Android and iOS. In Computers 3, the sole focus of the course is to design and make games. Students will have the opportunity to use professional-grade software in Unity and the Unreal Engine, and will begin to build a portfolio that can withstand public scrutiny. Each year in the spring, students from Oneida Ridge compete in a game development competition and have consistently done very well. Thank you, and if you have any questions, you can always email me at rdumas@vaschools.org.